It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. I've been waiting for this. It's finally happening. It's drizzling in Bangalore. Daily vlog, episode 10. Another day where I've tried shooting with the Xperia XZS primarily to test its camera. It's better weather here now in Bengaluru. Days are extremely hot, but I hear there's a heat wave throughout the country, so stay safe out there, each one of you. If you can, keep a bowl of water घर के बाहर, window के बाहर, पंछियों के लिए, birds के लिए. And I keep saying this, man, water is not an infinite resource, तो बहुत ही carefully उसे इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा. On a different note, when I came to Bengaluru, I was obviously looking for a place to stay, and I try and couch surf, I try and use Airbnb. So Airbnb pe one of the results that showed up was this really interesting place called a startup hostel, जिसका नाम है Construct, and I liked the way it looked, so I checked it out, and here I am. I've been living here now. It's a very cool concept, startup और entrepreneurs के लिए hostel और एक co-working space. So I spoke to some of the people who live here, and of course Karan, who is the founder of this entire place and is looking to expand. And here's what I found out about this place.
So this is India's first backpackers hostel for startups, entrepreneurs, and backpackers who cater to the startup ecosystem. So it's been 9 months since incepted in Bangalore. The yoga people, they have a hostel for musicians. They have a hostel for talk about any verticals they're talking about. Say nerds or the geeks, they have a hostel focus on it. But we never saw for entrepreneurs specifically where entrepreneurs can go and stay. So that's where the trigger happened, and we thought on India in Bangalore being the epicenter for startups and entrepreneurs, we thought this is the ideal place to incubate this idea. So that created a collaboration of people coming and talking, interacting, getting connected, meeting, with sometimes even getting mentors on board, and a couple of activities that we do at the hostel. It's called the open mic session, where the resident entrepreneur who's staying in the hostel gets an opportunity to talk about his couple of points where other mates also can hack into the issue.
So my name is Tarun. I am from Thane, which is not far from Mumbai. I've been here since February 8th. And why I chose this place, where I looked around for a startup hostel, and this seemed to be the most cleanest of all, and that was the reason why I chose this hostel. So we celebrate birthdays, we play games, we weekends don't go uneventful. There's always something that's happening on the weekends. So it's awesome. This place is awesome.
I'm Asha Stewart. I'm from Washington, D.C. in America. I came here to do a project for National Geographic. I'm a young explorer, so pretty much like as a photographer and a filmmaker, I've been doing a project on the Siddhi tribe in Karnataka and Gujarat, and I've been, for the past 2 months filming and photographing them. And then I came to Bangalore, to find a good place to edit and chill, and I found the Startup Hostel, and I've been here for like 2 weeks now. I plan to be here for 2 months. I think it's a cool place to get work done and to meet people who are, ambitious and gung-ho on life.
I could have very well just booked a hotel and lived by myself, but it's all about experiencing new places, meeting new people, and it's just amazing because the more people you meet, आपका perspective, आपके life experience बढ़ते जाते हैं, and I think यही main वजह थी मेरी यहाँ पे आके इस hostel में रहने की. In case you haven't already, subscribe कीजिएगा मेरे YouTube channel को. अगर आप ये वीडियो Facebook पे देख रहे हैं तो फिर like कीजिएगा और share कीजिए अपने सारे दोस्तों के साथ, and show the channel some love.